All right, outdoorsman. Got the boat on the water. The brown bomber is parked and I am getting ready to get out and do a final little bit of scouting on my boat. Just got it back from the boat repair shop, so thanks ABC's Marine for getting that taken care of. Looking forward to getting it out on the water and seeing what we can do as far as finding some geese to start the early season. Let's get outdoors. Good sign. That's where we're hoping to hunt, and there are geese on the rocks. As you can see, there are lots of people getting outdoors. It is so cool to see. Sure if they'll pop back up, but we just saw some otters. The logs are new. The logs are new. They may have floated in from Debbie. All right, everyone, we are getting ready to navigate the one significant series of rapids, and all things considered, really aren't very significant at all. Let's see how my son does, and then I'll follow him through. There he goes. And navigate. I found the hang-up spot. Yikes, that's on video. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was not a bullfrog, nor was it a buck snorting. That, on the other hand, was a deer snorting. I never thought you could bait them in by farting. Cool that the pondweed is actually blooming with beautiful yellow little flowers. Definitely will slow your progress if you're trying to paddle through it, or at least float through it. All right, everyone, wrapping up the final weekend of scouting. Obviously you saw I was able to get it on my big boat. Wanted to get out more, but ended up having the right hub bearings go out to the point where I actually lost the wheel. So had to go over to the kayak and spend a very enjoyable morning on the river with my son. As you saw, we were paddling. Not much in the way of geese, but we saw lots of ducks. So looking forward to getting out here to get the season started. So hopefully you'll join us as we move through, and until next time, get outdoors.